An Amazon warehouse employee has described his workplace as living hell as staff work around the clock to deliver goods to homes trapped in lockdown. The staff member, who wishes to remain anonymous, told Mirror Money he is worried about the working conditions amid the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. The country has been told Amazon will continue to stay open to provide their customers with essential items, he explained. But staff are working on more than just essentials, he added. We are selling the same usual stuff we would do normally with large increase in things like garden equipment, lawnmowers, hedge trimmers and chainsaws. And that meant he felt his employer was putting him at risk of infection for non-essential items. There are measures that have been put in place to protect us, he said. We have been told to stand 1 meter apart at all times while security metal detectors have been switched off. There are also things such as notices telling workers to clean their stations and equipment, before and after use, but there are no cleaning supplies commonly available. He said that while in theory, measures have been introduced, many are not practical. Whilst queuing for the clock-in machine, we have to stand closer than 1 meter, he said. Whilst working, it is impossible to be more than 1 meter away. You can be placed on either the roll of slammer or taper, which results in you being at the end of conveyor belt. Each belt has up to 8 packers sending boxes down. By this point, these items have already come into contact with various workers, greatly increasing their risk of contamination. There has already been large number of people sick, yet management refuses to close it down. The company has become living hell to work for. Under Amazon's guidelines, the retailer continues to trade as normal as it provides an essential service to the public. When Mirror Money put these allegations to Amazon, the company said the health of its staff is top priority and that it is enforcing 2-meter social distance measures across its warehouses. It added that the company's focus is on delivering essential items to those in need. As the COVID-19 pandemic continues, Amazon and our network of partners are helping communities around the world in a way that very few can, delivering critical supplies directly to the doorsteps of people who need them. Since the early days of this situation, we have implemented proactive measures at all of our facilities to protect our people, including increased cleaning, and maintaining social distance, including between drivers and customers when making deliveries. The health of our people is our top priority, and it's important to us that they remain home if they're sick or if they or someone in their home has had fever in the last 24 hours. To support our people during this time, we have increased entitlement to paid time off and are enabling people to take leaves of absence as appropriate. The company has agreed to pay anyone that goes into self-isolation in full, while agency workers will receive statutory sick pay at £94.25 week. As demand continues to increase, we are working to ensure we can continue to deliver to the most impacted customers while keeping our people safe. Many of these customers have no other way to get priority items, and we want to be sure that we have the right resources in place to deliver on their needs. We are prioritizing the intake and dispatch of items most needed by our customers right now. These are items such as food, health and personal care products, books and items needed to work from home. Amazon also states that it will be paying staff an extra £2 for every hour. In recognition of their hard work, the company has also increased the overtime premium to 100% of the hourly base rate for every hour worked above 40 hours a week. However, these measures will only run until April 30th.